Hi, I'm Sharon Frost, and this is my video essay for Chapter 16 in Anatomy and Physiology lecture. I'm going to answer two questions today. The first question being, which type of hormone receptor, plasma membrane bound or intracellular, would be expected to provide the most long-lived response to hormone binding, and why? I chose intracellular receptors because, a couple reasons actually. Plasma membrane bound receptors, they activate a second messenger, and those are rapidly degraded by an intracellular enzyme. The other reason I chose it is because intracellular receptors have a slower rate of release and they're more slowly inactivated and removed from the body. All right, the second question is, Roger Peterson has severe arthritis and has been taking prednisone, a glucocorticoid, for 2 months. He isn't feeling well and complains of repeated colds and is extremely puffy, edematous. Explain the normal role of glucocorticoids and then explain the reasoning for these symptoms. The normal role of glucocorticoids is to help the body adapt to intermittent food intake by keeping blood glucose levels fairly consistent and help maintain blood pressure. Also, my notes say the main function is to help the body with long-term responses to stress. But Mr. Peterson is experiencing his symptoms due to an excess of glucocorticoids. Although an excess of the glucocorticoids has anti-inflammatory and anti-immune effects that can control symptoms of chronic disorders like his arthritis, they depress his immune system, which makes it easy for him to catch those little cold viruses, and it makes it harder for him to fight them off. Another thing is Cushing's syndrome is caused by an excess of glucocorticoids, and is a symptom of the Cushing's is water and salt retention, which leads to hypertension and edema. So that could definitely explain why Mr. Peterson is having these symptoms. And that's all I have today. Thanks for listening.